Hi all, today we're going to see how to do sorting in XSLT. So this is our input payload. We have root node and under root node we have multiple data nodes. And our objective is to sort it based on the field cardinal. So this data node with cardinal value 1 should appear first, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way, the data should appear in the output. So first import the style sheet. Now I can remove some of the parts whichever is not required. So I am going to match this with our root node. And then I'm going to select data node. So we are going to apply templates over data node. Now before that, we have to sort that. So we can use directly this XSLT sort, and we can select based on what particular field we are going to sort. So for our case it will be cardinal, and then can provide the data type, that would be number. Okay. Then we can close the XSL apply templates tag. Now we are going to write template match. And again we are going to match with the data node, and our objective is to output it as is, so we can just write copy of the current node. Now I have already set up the JSON file, so our input is just XSL file, and input value is input underscore 5, and the result will be result underscore 5. So we can run this now. So if we see the output now, we'll see first we have the data node with field cardinal close to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. That's all for today. Thank you.